Imagine you're throwing a huge party and you're inviting everyone you know, but all you do is talk about yourself. Then you discover your guests are checking their phones and one by one they start leaving. The problem is you forgot to make it fun for them. That's what a lot of us are doing with our content, making it all about ourselves. Today we are diving into why being selfish with your content is killing your growth and how to flip the script by providing real value to the other person. This is the story of every creator who wonders, why is no one watching my stuff? And here is the answer. It's because your content is all about you. You're always talking, but you're not listening. You're posting almost every day, but you're not providing value to your viewers. Let's change that. Yes, let's change it. Now we're going to be looking at the selfish content trap. And trust me, we've all been there. You spend hours creating something only to realize that you've made it more like a personal diary than something people actually want to engage with. Sure, it's your content, but here's the thing. Your content isn't about you to some extent. Imagine you're at a friend's house for dinner and all they do is talk about their life, what they ate for breakfast, what TV show they are watching, and how hard their day was. You would tune out after a while, right? Now let's imagine they shared a recipe to that breakfast, recommended that TV show, or gave you advice on how to handle a tough day. Suddenly you're engaged. It's not just about them anymore, it's about you too. The value shift. The magic happens when you stop thinking about what you can get from your audience and start thinking of what you can offer your audience, how you can make their life better, easier, and more fun. That's where the value comes in. You get. Think of it like a conversation. You're the one doing the talking, yeah? If you're the only one doing the talking, the other person is going to feel left out. But when you ask questions, offer advice, or make them laugh, suddenly you're not just a speaker, you are a friend. So what does value look like? It doesn't have to be something complicated. It could be as simple as sharing a quick life hack, giving advice, or making someone laugh after a rough day. The point is they live with something they didn't have before watching your video. Let's take cooking channels for instance. Do they just show you the chef eating their favorite meal? No, they show you how to cook it, giving you the tools and the procedures to do it yourself. That's value. Now think about your content. Are you teaching something, inspiring someone, making them laugh? If not, you're missing the mark. Totally. The transformation. When you start shifting your focus to giving value, you will notice something. You will notice something amazing. The moment you stop thinking, what can I get? And start asking, what can I give? That's the moment your content begins to thrive. People will notice that you're there for them and not just for yourself. It's like showing up for a party with snacks instead of just eating everyone else's food. Suddenly, everyone is glad that you're there. Let's look at some examples of selfless content. There are some experts who have mastered the art of content creation. Let's look at fitness YouTubers who give you actionable workouts, tech reviewers who break down the pros and cons so you can make informed decisions, or even vloggers who share personal stories but always leave you with a nugget of wisdom or inspiration. These creators aren't just successful because they are talented. They are successful because they make it about you, the viewer. They always want you to leave their video with something new, whether it's a laugh, a lesson, or a new perspective. Let's look at how to add value without losing yourself. Now you might be thinking, but I still want to be me. I don't want to lose my voice. The good news is you don't have to. You can still share your personality, your passions, your stories, but make sure there's a takeaway for your audience. Because it's not about hiding yourself. It's about making sure your voice resonates with others. It's like telling a joke at a party. It's funny to you, sure, but you want to make sure it's funny to everyone else. Otherwise, you're just standing there laughing alone. Awkward, right? The payoff. The best part is when you provide value, people would definitely come back for more. They subscribe not because you ask them to, but because they know they will always get something from your channel anytime they visit. They trust you and see you as someone who is there to help them, not just to talk about yourself. In a world of full noise, be that voice, be the voice that gives, be the creator who doesn't just make content but make a difference. When you do that, you will never have to beg for subscribers or viewers ever again. Now, this is the long game. It is not about viral success or quick wins. It's about building a community of people who appreciate what you bring to the table. When you provide value, you're not just building your channel, you're building trust, and that trust, it's priceless. So next time you sit to create, ask yourself one simple question: what exactly am I giving to my viewers? If you focus on that, the rest will surely take care of itself.